Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Chase retirement planning tools. So it's going to be a quick video, and because it's going to be a simple process, I'm just going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use that. So first thing is to sign into your Chase account. That's step one, and you can sign in on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. And once you're signed into your account, you just want to click on retirement, and then you want to select get started. Now you can review retirement planning options such as IRAs and 401k plans, and you can use retirement planning tools such as calculators and assessments to help you with that. And you can create a retirement plan and track your progress from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Chase retirement planning tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.